Good morning, Twitter. Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. How's everybody feeling this morning? It is the 4th January. Got a slight buy position running here on pound yen. Looking to secure my 1-to-1 here. About 23 pips up. like 10 pips away. Ten pips away. We're like so close. Just need like 6 more pips. So we're 6 pips away from first take profit. Gold's very up at the moment, but you know, the price is super high at this point. We can see it definitely starting to come back down. But at the moment, I'm not too focused on gold. I'm focused more on pound yen. All I need is 6 more pips to secure my 1-to-1. So I'm looking at doing here at this moment. This could be the pitch we're looking for right here. Fucking less than 3 pips away. Come on, baby. guys, finally. Holy. We have reached it. Yes! Alright. 26 pips up, baby. That's what I wanted to see. Yes, sir. Now let's look for a more realistic take profit here. One 157.95. 157.95. Hey, Isaac, man, take it easy, bro. Have a good day, okay? You have a good one. Appreciate you tapping into my stream, Brody. It's good seeing you again, man. Alright. Yeah. For anybody, for anybody that know me personally, had to take a switch for the stream. Whew. Um. So I mean, yeah, guys. At this moment, I got my stop loss within profits. I got it at 13 pips profit. Um. Really just gonna let this position run till about my take profit here, which is that take profit at 157.95 is a perfect spot for a take profit. At this point as well, I'm also looking and anticipating entering gold. Uh, Probably gonna go ahead and try and see if I can get a play here on gold. Just let this play run. I'm not even gonna really worry about this position anymore at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at gold, see what we can do here. When it comes down to gold, I'm really liking how this play is forming out. Um, Trying to see what I'm trying to. Could do something like this. Yeah, I can't lie. Honestly, today the setups are looking absolutely spot on. Like the the pound yen setup for this buy, like a no-brainer. It is like super easy pay. Easy retracement. Just made a fresh support. Couldn't ask for an easier play than that. This one looking pretty the same. We were breaking resistance. We got a clean range to the downside. Um, Looking to see how this play could work out for me. But of course, I'm waiting for this candle to close. I'm not gonna hop anything too early at this moment. I want to make sure there's a wick at the bottom of this candle though. There's no wick at the bottom of this candle, makes it way more interesting. Hope this last 2 minutes this candle starts rejecting a little bit, but I hope we still keep trading under 1857.75. We still got to make sure we're trading below that level. More realistically, we need to be trading below 150 or 1857 129. But I don't want it to keep pushing down super far. I don't want it to be like a extremely fat stop loss because it's gonna be that much longer for me to wait on my stream just to get my 1-to-1. So I mean, I don't want to say I don't want to hop in the position, but if I have like a stop loss about maybe something like 70 pips, I might look at, I don't know, depending on my range. We'll see how it's looking. Right now, I might be looking. See, it's already looking ass backwards at this point, cause my take profit might not enter this. It all depends. I really want my stop loss over here. It's safe. It's a safe spot. And I gotta make sure this is not ass backwards. This is fine. I'd enter at this point. Got 58 seconds too, so I gotta make a decision. So here's the thing. My stop loss has to be much lower than my take profit. This is where my parameters are gonna stay, and this is where they're gonna be set. So I gotta make sure that it doesn't do something like this, cause then it's like I can't enter that. And if it prints with no wick at the bottom, then that's fine with me not entering personally. Got 8 seconds. It's ass backwards so far. Yeah, I gotta stay out of the position. I gotta stay out of the position because my stop loss take profit was backwards. Of course, right now it's looking better because you know the candle's pretty bullish going up towards my direction. But this original print, I don't know. It easily can work out. It easily can play out. I mean, it looks like a really good setup. I could even lower my stop loss, but personally, I want to keep it where it was. And I don't know. I'm not the most. I don't feel like I'm too greedy at this moment. So definitely some, cause now I guess I could, I could get an entry. Candle definitely printed bearish, but I gotta get a 58. See if I can get a better entry. 58. Let's see. I'm kind of anticipating the candle to go a little bit higher, and if so, I'd like to get a better entry. Being such a candle with such a nice wick, I definitely can see at least pushing up just a little bit more. I'm also not too crazy about this position, honestly. Not that I don't have the most confidence in it, I just don't know if I like the fact that I had to be in the position for so long because I have to wait for a 61 pip take profit if I was to enter right now. fuck? I think I'm just good on it. I mean, if I was taking another position, I mean, today as well. With ISM at 9 o'clock, but I think even then, I think I'm alright. I think on this position, we'll just do like a hypothetical play. My target is about right here. $57. This could honestly work out really nicely. Honestly, I'm just slightly hesitant. So right here is when I'd have to take profit, and then the rest would just be able to run. But the rest I would run is like another 3 pips. So at that point, it's worth just putting it even further. But see how it goes. I am not into this, by the way. This is a trying to remember what they usually call these. There it goes. Though it's definitely doing its thing. I feel like it starts with a D. The word I'm thinking about. So I'm pretty determined, like set my mind to the fact that I'm not gonna enter this position. Oh yeah, that is the word. Yeah, this is a demo trade. Pretty much like pretty sure. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. uh, God, yeah, something like that. Demo trade, or I think there's another word too. But regardless, yeah, it's a fake position. It's something I was low key really considering. I just didn't want to answer it necessarily. Um, we still might have some hiccups in the road here. You know, we still got some pretty major 30-minute rejections here at this point. I mean, price could easily start coming down. I mean, we still got fucking New York session here at the next candle. So, I mean, that could very well give us that push. We would need to get that full take profit. But the most important thing possible here is that if we have a 57 pip stop loss, we need to make sure we hit our 1-to-1. We need to make sure that we're take profiting here at 57. But it has to also, the range also has to make sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, our take profit has to be down here because it makes sense that the candle could exhaust down to about this 30-minute range wick here. You know? Of course, you know, these 30-minute rejections as well could come into play, but it's pretty realistic to see that price at this point would continue down to around, 1849, the 1848 and stuff like that. It could take us some time though. And personally, that's kind of why I didn't want to enter. I just didn't. I kind of wanted to see more how this GJ play was gonna go. It looks like it's kind of coming back to my stop loss, and which is perfectly fine. You know what I'm saying? At this point, I mean, regardless, it's like a no stress trade. I was considering entering or pretty much closing the stream right probably around like 7 o'clock. I'm gonna let this position run, and I'll let you guys know how this position is up turning out for you guys. Yeah, buddy. Excuse me, excuse me. I pull the mic away when I do that shit. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm just gonna pretty much just like forget about it. I'm pretty much anticipating for it to hit my stop loss at this point. Gold, I'm pretty excited. I didn't necessarily enter on. We have New York session coming around, so this candle could print like it is right now, and next candle could start printing a support. We have been trading really bullish lately. This could be a nice retracement play. So that's why I mean, there's like a few things I was pretty hesitant on when I was looking at the charts here, but it is still nice to put this up. I have to go far back, but it's pretty much on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, you see like it's pretty choppy, and obviously it really doesn't matter too much because this is the most important thing. What's current. So I still believe it could play out really nicely, but the thing is, on the 4 hour, how much do you really expect this candle to exhaust? Because I believe the next open is 8 o'clock. And what I mean by that is, can you see this 4 hour candle pushing all the way down here? I mean, maybe we can see it push all the way down here. I'm not gonna say it's gonna close down here. We could push all the way down here, come back up, and we'll have a wick. You know what I'm saying? I can see that. Um, but in regards to it maybe closing down here, to me to me it feels unlikely. I don't see this candle doing that, right? I see this candle maybe pushing down, getting us a take profit, and then coming back up, closing maybe bearish, but somewhere around here, leaving us a wick. You know what I'm saying? I can't even draw nothing. Hold on. See if I can get a little something. Let's see. If this is a candle, it's gonna be something like this. Maybe something like that. It's kind of what I anticipate to look like. If this is the body of the candle, the wick would be pretty fat. I mean, obviously we're gonna have a top wick. We already got one. Something like that. Right there. Almost thought we were gonna be stopped out by this point. A little surprised we're still in this position, but honestly, it can still play out. I mean, honestly, we're coming down. Could stop us out right here, like I'm saying, but uh, I still has a good chance to keep pushing up personally. I mean, if I really wanted, if I had too much hopes, I'd maybe even put my stop loss closer to my entry. But personally, I'm cool with just getting a little bit extra money on top of what I've secured. And like I said, I closed 90% of the position up here. So, and if we can get the rest of that push up, that'd be nice. Just do them both at the same time. Nah, I'm playing. Just buy it in, Taylor, bro. There's no way you'll lose. Just take profit at every 3 pips. A little GJ Dumpy. Yeah, let's see it. A little GJ Dumpy, stupid. It could happen for real, for real. I can't even put it past me. It really could happen. A little GJ Dumpy. I saw that bitch go to 19. I looked at it real quick. Oh man, I'm trying to see a little gold dumpy low key. That'd be kind of cool. That'd give me more confidence for the next position. Like the next time I maybe see something like this with the candle so fat. I just didn't want to enter something like this because with gold it's just damn. I'd be waiting here for a minute. Like yeah, you be in profits, but shit, you got a whole another 40 more pips away for until you can at least secure money. You know what I'm saying? You can literally if you secure money anywhere past 57, it's ass fucking backwards. You're just gonna lose. I mean, it's just not. It's not the move. So it's just like it's crazy to think that. Oh shoot! Holy shoot! I was playing. So, all right, guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, anybody watching the stream at this point, we are looking like we're going to be hitting our stop loss here. I mean, at this point, I'm pretty much really expecting it. I mean, what the hell? It's like right there. So, and what's cool is like for anybody that maybe consider it, the sales on pound yen might actually be able to play out. You do got to be really careful though, just because there's a resistance right here. And a solid one too at that. It's not just your like a basic little. I mean, this is a nice range. The range before this was pretty nice. Never mind. I lied. 24. So it's actually not that bad. Still, it could be respected though. You can't put it past you. Usually about 30 pips. You want a range to be about 30 pips. 30 pips or more, then you'll be looking like you're being in good shape. But anything less than 30 pips as a range may not give you the best move, but with such clean traffic though, really could. Damn! That mug didn't hit. Look at that. That's crazy. Damn. That mug was like not even a. That was like at this point I'm kind of like, come on, just hit my stop loss, take me out of the position. But it's like, what the hell? That's so close. That's crazy. That looks wild. Pound yen make uppity. Damn, that'd be. Hey, this would be legendary at this point. Imagine this play just goes straight to our original take profit and motherfucking my shit's right here. Holy, I'm still in it. Hey, that's what you call good. Hey, shout out. Hey, anybody's curious on my goodness, my Forex broker right here, baby. Follow this. Hey, look at it's right here. Right there, baby. Dominion Markets. That motherfucker. Damn. Shout out to Dominion Markets. I can't even use that with my finger. Literally, that bitch like this. Yes, sir. I'm still in the position. Let's go. Young Dolph. Hey, rest in peace. Rest in peace, Young Dolph. Definitely gonna play him today. You know, I really do. I like if I could play music, man. Damn, I'd be playing some music right now. But Young Dolph is a shit. Wednesday, let's see, 9 a.m. Yeah, we definitely got some news at 9 a.m. Personally, I don't know if I want really want to wait that long. I think I might just be cool with the pound yen. I mean, got a couple gray hairs looking at it. I'm just saying. Oh, yes, sir. Pretty soon, chat. I'm gonna try to do my best with like getting I'm gonna be having like a new overlay. Uh, I like a what's it called? Oh yeah, a new overlay. And oh yeah, I was gonna be looking. I have been lazy, personally, but I need to do my best with like looking at like a good soundtrack for like YouTube. Something good for like real calming. And I could like look up a thing on YouTube right now, have like a little cool little jazz, but like I don't know, it sound cool. But this one dude has some cool. It's like a free, no copyright lo-fi. I might just look that up real quick. Oh, he's already going. Oh, shoot. Oh, dude. Bro, how do I make a Dominion Markets account? Well, if you was actually someone I knew that didn't already have a Dominion Markets account, I tell you to go to Raha Banks. Till you go Raha Banks page, look him up, and you'll be able to find the steps on how to do that. Hey, you know what? This is why I need to keep though in the background. I need to have this shit. Hey, shout out to this man, bro. Who is this guy? Lo-Fi Geek. What a freaking boss. I hit the subscribe on this guy. Hey, I'm not even gonna lie. This whole aesthetic right here is so hard. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I would love to just like, this looks like some shit like maybe it's like 9 p.m. You're in Japan. You just finished your day and you hit like a little street cafe like this. I'm not gonna lie, like to me that sounds so freaking dope. Like that'd be so badass. Just like kind of like mosey on in there. Maybe you a little drunk off the motherfucking sake, whatever they be drinking out there, and you like, man, I want to give me a little nice warm chai tea. Damn, that shit would be so fucking lit. I'm not even gonna lie, that shit just makes me just. I ain't gonna lie, I like this little beat and everything like that. It makes me like really want that shit. It makes me happy. I'm just like, it's Raha Banks. I'm just geeked, bro. GJ McBullis. Hey, look, the position's kind of working out here. Let's see how much more we do got left if we were to be in this position here on. Well, we still got a long way to go though. We still would have. We still got about 30 pips left. And here's another thing too, like on some real stuff, like giving like some real knowledge. The beautiful thing about magic keys, let me tell everybody, the beautiful thing about magic keys is that it doesn't even matter how much the stop loss is, as long as the price action looks right. You just have to have a smart stop loss. I'm not saying this position. I mean, this position is yet to play out in our favor yet, and I didn't even fully have the confidence to enter this. Correct. So my point is to build my confidence. I'm doing like a demo trade. Or I remember, it's called a paper trade. This is called a paper trade. What these are called is paper trades. A paper trade is when you're not fully entered into the markets, but you're just using a risk to reward chart on the charts to help you measure this. But my point is though, with magic keys, as long as you go into your magic keys and you go to your settings. So I go here. Hold on, it's in here. Well, I'm not gonna do all of it right now, but you go into your settings through magic keys, right? After you go in your settings and magic keys, at that point you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna change your percent per position. And percent per position, you're gonna go ahead and put down like whatever you want, really. But preferably for me, I only like to risk 3% a day, 3% every single day. And each position, so when it says position per play, I put down 1.5%. So it automatically will scale in my lot size. At this point, it has to hit my stop loss, by the way. I mean, we closed bearish. It has to, right? I mean, there's no way. If it maybe closed bullish, I'd have been maybe slightly like, okay, we might be able to be in this. But now at this point, my confidence has entirely decreased on this position. We should probably start pushing down relatively and hit my stop loss. At this moment, if it pushes up, it's just making a top wick and then it's going to continue down. You know, at this point, I'm really expecting that. But back on what I was talking about. So if I was to go over here, right, I hit open calc, right? My point is, we go here. If you guys can see, look at my mouse, follow it up to here. It's a little difficult to see, but this is changing my lot sizes, right? It's calculating stuff. Now, the reason why it's calculating is because I'm risking 1.5% of my account. It's including spread, so it goes at least like 1.48, 1.49, which is perfect. But my point is, the higher my stop loss, the lower my lot size, right? Because it's calculating, if I was to hit my stop loss and it goes boop all the way up here, it's only still going to give me the amount like I've lost, the 1.5, whatever. So that is the cool thing about it. And that's like one of the most powerful things about it. And not to mention, it's literally just a button. I press a button, boom, I close 90%. Like, I got a button, I close 90%. In this position, right here, I close 90%. I close basically most of the profits. I have a little bit running. I have a 0.02 lot running on this. Not big at all, but I'm not thinking about the money right now. That's the last thing I'm thinking about, the money. What makes me excited every day, what makes me happy to fucking get up on these charts and uh do what I'm doing is, yeah, I feel psychic. It sounds goofy, but I feel like I feel psychic. I feel like um when I can sit back and make an analysis on the charts and I see the position play out in my favor, I feel like there's nothing that feels better than that personally. Like, whenever I like have things marked out, I have certain key levels that I want to be hit, targeted, XYZ. It feels really, really good whenever that ends up playing out in my favor. And for instance, like our play here. I mean, it was just absolutely 100% smooth, straight to the take profit. We really deal with zero drawdown. Um, this is a really a real took position. We never took profit at the full 36. We just took profit at our 26. We had a 26 pips stop loss. So that was my original position, but I have a position that I want to at least go up to here. This is what my position looks like. But at this point, we are stop loss break even, so I look more like this. Even a little bit more, because obviously I got my shit like right here. But regardless, yeah, I think Magic Keys really just 100% 10x my trading. It's been so beneficial. And I ain't sound like an advertiser, no commercial, dude. Like, I'm speaking from the heart. Like, this, I don't even think I can't even imagine trading from a phone, to be honest. It just sounds, it gives me an ick. It's like, hell nah. I couldn't imagine typing in shit. Oh my god. It's just so much better. All I gotta do is literally drag stuff where I want. It's like lightning fast. But I'm not gonna lie, I don't have much experience trading without Magic Keys. So, like, honestly, I don't really know how to enter a position without Magic Keys. And don't forget what I said, guys. This is exactly what I said could happen. With New York session open, this could easily start printing, because this could be a retracement. We've been printing bullish as hell. I mean, we have been printing super bullish. We've relatively been starting to trend relatively bearish, but not enough to make it to where it's like, I feel like it's breaking. I feel like once we break the lows here, then we'd be considering trending bearish. At the moment, I feel like we could be making a retracement play. This could start forming a support. We have news at 9 a.m. that could bring extreme volatility to the markets and come right back to those 1864 levels, because at this moment, it's a new year. We might want to start trading even above them. We might even want to go to 1900, you know, being the new year. So it's a lot to consider. But at the same time, personally, me, I think it's highly unlikely. I think we most likely want to chop down to, like, even like 1750. Not to say that there's going to be a huge dump, anytime super soon, but I definitely feel that we'd be trading, somewhere 1780s, 1790s, lower 1800s, something like that. But I could be completely wrong, 100%. It wouldn't even surprise me that we trade, above 1864 and potentially 1900. That's definitely a position. But yo, man, hey, check this dude out, man. Anybody who wants to do like their own streaming shit, bro, this guy's lit, bro. But yeah, chat, I think I might just go ahead and end the stream. I didn't end up putting the news event in the description because personally I didn't think I was gonna be trading it. I think I'm just gonna go over it tonight. I'm gonna see kind of what happened. I'm gonna back test it. Um, see kind of how I could have reacted to it and how. I mean, this is a very high impact news, so I could see a lot of momentum volume in within gold. So we can see a lot happening. The Institute for Supply Management, Purchasing Managers Index. Let's fucking go. Come on, GJ. That'd be so lit. But yeah, guys, I'll just let you guys know tomorrow though what happened on this trade in particular, if we hit our stop loss or if we end up hitting our take profit. But until then, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tapping in with me today. Um, really happy to get a good trade going, and yeah, I'll just be seeing you guys tomorrow, same time. Well, so I've been also having a conflicting idea here. I don't know if I really want to just make it a steady thing that I start 6 a.m. so that I always have returning viewers and they know what time I come on, or if I should have like, before I enter a play. So that I'm like kind of just less on here talking. And sometimes I gotta do better, but I've had moments where I'll be passing out on the stream, and that's obviously not good. And I should get slapped up by the markets, which I do, in those moments. So no worries. Just gotta make sure I'm always doing better, being focused, and getting a better sleep. So that I'm more alert. But regardless, there's no excuses. Just gotta keep doing better, and I'm excited to keep showcasing this to any new viewers that I have come across. And man, just show what trading's about. I'm really confident in growing this account, and being able to manage it and do it for as long as I can. I got a long life ahead of me. I feel good about it, thank God. And shout out to trading, man. Shout out to YouTube. But anyways, guys, you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for tapping on my stream. I will be seeing you guys tomorrow, and I think I'm just gonna start streaming 6 a.m. I want to have returning viewers. I'm just gonna start starting at 6 a.m. and not be passing out. But you guys have a great day.